Specific applications we want to talk about are digital printing using the inkjet principle, ultra-fast drop-on-demand, or completely contactless precision dosing for industrial purposes. Fast and reliable dosing capabilities are major factors in the state-of-the-art consumer electronic manufacturing industry. Drop-on-demand tasks for handling of high-viscose media, such as solder paste or adhesion material, call for piezo actuators with high force and high-frequency performances. Our Pigma multi-layer actuators with all ceramic insulation and low driving voltages are ideally suitable for such challenging applications, especially in ultra-fast dosing systems and valves all around the globe, requiring the support for high throughput and reliability in 24/7 environment. So how can our piezo technology experts at PI support your specific needs? Our Pigma multi-layer technology offers a standard actuator assortment, but we can also customize them according to your specification. As an example for this customization, a special monolithic actuator array is shown here. Such arrays are used to create a higher channel density in dispensing, dosing and printing applications, resulting, for example, in print heads with unique extraordinary performance. So let's talk about your application challenges.